So, hey YouTube, HoundoomTier coming at you again with more pack openings. This time we have a Mega Latios Blister Pack opening to do. We obviously just did a Mega Rayquaza one and we got one pretty awesome pull. But on this time we're going to be opening the Mega Latios one. You've obviously got the same set of packs in here, but we've got a slightly different Roaring Skies art on here. As you've got Mega Latios, but we've got Diancie from Phantom Forces and Primal Groudon from Primal Clash. But can this open in one go? No is the answer, but it'll do. It'll do, it came off enough. Oh god, you are tough to open, you are. These blisters suck for opening. Take forever. Right, okay, so let's take the plastic off. So, first of all, to kick things off here, we have an awesome looking Mega Latios pin, which I'm actually covering there. Look at that pin, that looks absolutely amazing. Awesome. And in addition, we also have 3 packs. We've got 3 packs. So we've got Mega Gallade from Roaring Skies, we've got Primal Groudon from Primal Clash, and we've got Diancie from Phantom Forces. So guys, in the chat on Twitch right now, what are you wanting? What would you like to see first? We obviously started with Phantom Forces last time, but what are we thinking this time? What are we thinking this time, huh? You guys let me know what you want. Primal Clash, Groudon, Phantom, Diancie, so that's Phantom, Groudon, Diancie, Phantom Forces, Gallade, Groudon, Phantom Forces. Reverse from last time. It seems that Diancie's winning again, so let's go Diancie. Let's go for Phantom Forces once again. I'm just going to put these cards on top of those. Alright, here we go. So, Phantom Forces, Phantom, Diancie. Here we go. Last time we managed to get some freaking amazing pull from this pack. I'm not expecting any luck this time, but let's see. Let's see what we can get. Alright guys. Alright, kicking things off with our Phantom Forces. Thurfru. Lampens. That's an awesome looking card. VS Seeker. Skarmory. Zubat. Oh god. Bunnelby. Chansey. I'm going to unfocus you slightly. That's better. Carablast. Reverse Hollow Enhanced Hammer. And the rare for our last Phantom Forces pack today is Venomoth. Not hollow, but still cool. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so what do we want next then, guys? What do we want? Do we want Mega Gallade from Roaring Skies, or do we want Primal Groudon from Primal Clash? What are we thinking? What are we thinking, huh? What are we thinking? Oh. I should totally shiny of Zubat full art. No. Gallade, Groudon. Groudon, Gallade. Seems to be quite even, but I'm gonna go. Seems to be quite even, but do you know what? I'm thinking that Groudon has just about won. So, it's just about one, I think. It's very, very close. But let's see how we do. So, our last Primal Clash pack here today on the stream. Let's see if we can actually get any firepower. Let's see. Okay. Let me just move these over here. So, Ancient Trait Electrike, Gardevoir Spirit Link, Combusken, excuse you, Tynamo, Torchic, Staryu, Lotad, Solrock, Reverse Holo Bidoof, Sea Lion, and the rare for our final Primal Clash booster pack is Full Art Wailord EX. Holy shit! What is this luck? Full Art Wailord EX. Jesus! Holy crap, that is a hell of a pull. That chat is going freaking crazy. Look at that freaking amazing card. That is so awesome. And another freaking full art. Can't even. Can't even. Alright, Wailord, you're getting in a sleeve. You're getting in a sleeve. Wow. Wow. Full Art Wailord EX. So awesome. Damn. Roaring Skies. Roaring Skies has been good to us. But can we finish today's stream with some hype? Let's do this thing. Let's do this thing. 1, 2, 3, onto the bottom. Let's see if we can finish on some hype, finish on some luck. Pull you out there. Pull you over there. Here we go. So, let's see. Kicking things off with Tropius, Ultra Ball, Togetic, Togepi, Inkay, Wingull, Hawlucha, oh hello, Cascoon, Reverse Holo Manectric, and the final card today, the final card, because I literally have no more packs to open, is Talonflame. Well, awesome. So, what did we get in terms of pulls from this particular opening? We managed to get Reverse Holo Manectric, Reverse Holo Bidoof, Reverse Holo Enhanced Hammer, and most importantly, Full Art Wailord EX. What a hell of a pull. That is so awesome. Such an awesome looking card. The rainbow complements it so well. Make sure you get a screenshot of this bad boy, because that is amazing. So awesome. Cannot even with how freaking amazing that card looks. Damn. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this particular blister pack opening. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you're saying bye to YouTube, everyone who's in the chat right now. We're going to be ending off things here for the YouTube video. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously we managed to get some pretty awesome firepower from that Wailord. But, oh, I haven't unfocused. But still, thank you so much everyone. And I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Have a fantastic one, guys.